Across continents, wild hogs are quietly transforming landscapes and challenging agricultural systems in ways that often go unnoticed. Their remarkable adaptability and rapid reproduction allow them to thrive in diverse environments, from farmland to forest edges, impacting crops, soil, and native ecosystems. Scientists and farmers are observing their behavior closely, developing innovative strategies to manage their populations and protect both food supplies and natural habitats. In this documentary, we explore the methods, technology, and knowledge used worldwide to understand and control this persistent species, revealing the balance between human ingenuity and wildlife management in just a single night. A family of wild hogs can devastate farmland that took months to cultivate. This is not a challenge confined to one nation. From the rolling plains of North America to the expansive pastures of South America, and from the forests of Europe to the open landscapes of Oceania, communities worldwide face similar struggles. In some regions, the economic toll reaches billions of dollars annually, as these adaptable animals exploit every opportunity to thrive. Their numbers grow at a staggering rate, creating a problem that is as persistent as it is destructive. Before we continue, if you enjoy deep dives into wildlife and agriculture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. Across vast farms spanning hundreds of acres, agricultural professionals watch these intelligent creatures leave a trail of destruction. Crops are uprooted, soil structures disrupted, and carefully maintained pastures are rendered unusable. For many, the stakes are high. Their livelihoods, and in some cases, entire communities' food supply, depend on keeping these populations in check. The scale of the challenge is enormous. In some countries, wild hogs destroy millions of dollars worth of crops each year, while in others, their rapid reproduction outpaces even the most persistent efforts to manage them. Farmers and wildlife specialists have developed strategies that combine traditional practices with modern technology. Surveillance cameras, GPS tracking, and automated feeding systems are now part of the toolkit alongside long-standing trapping methods. This global exchange of knowledge demonstrates how innovation and experience can come together to confront a shared problem. Patience and precision are critical. Wild hogs are wary and highly intelligent. Any mistake can make them suspicious, delaying control efforts and reducing effectiveness. To begin controlling these populations, experts first identify active areas where wild hogs congregate. Low-lying fields, wetland edges, and forest margins are common gathering spots. Signs such as deep rooting marks in soil or large footprints reveal where they feed and travel. Once these zones are established, baiting begins. Corn, fruit remnants, and other attractants are placed consistently over time, encouraging hogs to visit regularly and develop predictable patterns. This stage requires constant attention and reliability. These animals quickly learn if a food source is inconsistent. After several days or weeks, traps are set in these well-established zones. Effective traps are designed with high walls and secure triggers, allowing hogs to enter freely and gradually become accustomed to the space. Only after a period of habituation is the mechanism activated, ensuring the entire group is captured efficiently. Advances in remote monitoring have made this process safer and more effective, allowing operators to observe herds from a distance and activate traps precisely when needed. While trapping is essential, hunting also plays a critical role, especially in larger, less accessible areas. Wild hogs have acute senses of smell and hearing but relatively poor vision, requiring hunters to approach from upwind and often at night when the animals are most active. Equipment such as night vision devices and high-powered rifles enables accurate targeting while minimizing risks to humans and the environment. In some regions, trained tracking dogs assist by locating herds and guiding hunters. Each method demands skill and caution, as injured animals can escape and create further challenges. The impact of wild hogs extends beyond crops. These animals carry diseases that can affect livestock and humans alike. Foot and mouth disease, swine fever, and other pathogens pose a significant threat if they enter local populations. Strict regulations govern the handling and processing of wild hog meat to prevent contamination, with specialized facilities processing limited numbers each year. Most wild hog hunting is therefore focused on population control rather than commercial sale. Historically, wild hogs were introduced intentionally or migrated across continents, valued for food or sport. Their adaptability, social behavior, and reproductive efficiency have allowed them to thrive even in modern landscapes heavily altered by humans. In Europe, large populations now occupy urban edges, farmland, and forests alike. Winters have become milder, and predator numbers have declined, creating an environment where wild hogs can reproduce with minimal natural checks. The result is a growing conflict between human activity and wildlife management. Agricultural experts emphasize that effective control requires cooperation at local, regional, and national levels. Sharing knowledge, coordinating efforts across jurisdictions, and employing a mixture of biological, technological, and mechanical approaches are essential. Some researchers are exploring fertility control programs, while others consider reintroducing natural predators. Each strategy has potential benefits and risks, highlighting the delicate balance between conservation, agriculture, and public safety. In addition to direct agricultural damage, wild hogs pose risks to transportation and infrastructure. Thousands of traffic accidents occur annually, particularly near forested areas and rural roadways. Crop losses, soil erosion, and the potential spread of disease make it clear why this species is considered a major invasive threat. Technology has become an indispensable ally. AI-driven monitoring systems, improved trap designs, and real-time communication allow farmers to respond quickly and efficiently, making large-scale management feasible in ways previously unimaginable. At the heart of these efforts are the people who rise before dawn, maintain vigilance, and apply both science and intuition to the challenge. Across continents, their daily work safeguards food systems, supports economies, and ensures ecological balance. Every carefully monitored trap, every strategic hunt, and every collaborative initiative represents a vital contribution to global food security. In addition to practical advice, we love hearing from our viewers. If you've ever implemented your own methods for controlling wild pigs or have a unique tip to share, leave a comment below. Your experience might inspire others to refine their approach and achieve better results. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our detailed insights and expert farming advice. Wild pigs may be a challenging invasive species, but with knowledge, persistence, and the right techniques, farmers can regain control over their lands. Pre-baiting, trap design, timing, and careful observation work together to create a highly effective system. Farmers who adhere to these methods often see results that exceed expectations, capturing entire groups efficiently while minimizing stress and disruption to surrounding areas. Rotating trap locations every few months is a subtle yet powerful tactic. It prevents pigs from learning fixed patterns and ensures that traps remain effective in the long term. Farmers also report that combining bait rotation with location shifts produces the highest success rates, allowing them to manage pig populations more sustainable. Finally, while no single solution is perfect, the combination of strategic trap placement, intelligent bait selection, behavioral monitoring, and timely intervention represents the most practical approach available today. By understanding the habits and instincts of wild pigs, farmers can anticipate their movements, increase capture rates, and protect crops from extensive damage. If this guide has been helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth, actionable farming strategies, and share this video with friends and fellow farmers who might benefit from these techniques. Together, informed and proactive approaches can make a real difference in managing wildlife challenges while supporting sustainable agriculture.